Okay, viewers, today we have come to Wahad Al Umrah showroom. This is in Sharjah, Car Souk, and showroom number is 281. And we are going to take a review of Lexus.
Yeah, Lexus. This is great.
Okay, this is also Lexus. It looks like they have a specialization in Lexus. They have also many Lexus. They have a variety of Lexus. I think in all models, I think they are specialized or specialist in Lexus. Okay, so let's take a review of this Lexus in grey color.
ALS 2010 model.
2010 model.
This is a V8.
V8.
It is called luxury 2010 model.
2010 model.
Lexus
Okay.
LS460.
LS460.
Yes.
Okay, and can you open the bonnet, please, of the car? It seems, let's see. It's really interesting since they have a specialization in Lexus. Okay. Okay.
V8.
The engine is V8. It's 8 cylinders. Okay, the car seems clean. Okay.
Number 30.
Okay. 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 Let's see the car from inside. Let's see the car from inside.
My friend also.
Okay. Let's see the car from inside.
This is the luxury sedan.
Let's see the dashboard.
You can see
This is American version USA.
Okay, this is an American version. Okay, my friend is trying to explain the car like he will be describing the car.
because this
Okay,
car
Mohammed.
is luxury car.
Okay.
So like Mercedes-Benz S and BMW, you can say 7 Series. This lineup, this
Okay,
lineup,
this
this
is the
car.
same like kind of a version.
lineup.
It's same.
So
It's
you,
same in line.
you sitting the seat. This all air conditioning, heating, cooling, and
The seat,
8-way.
huh?
Yeah, 8-way. You can move, set up the seat, your seat. You see there is also memory seat. If you one time set up that, so you no need to always set up. This is the memory setup. Okay, so
Okay, one.
this is the sunroof, and this one.
Okay. Okay. Yes.
So this one a large version. So I go to back side, then you can see.
Okay, let me see. Okay, the speed of the car is the maximum speed of the car is like
You see that
260.
You see the space of car is because large version.
Let me
so
come back. Excuse me.
very
Let me come back. Excuse me.
comfortable.
Let me come back.
هذه 210 2010 هذا 58 لارج هذا طويل هذا شوف شوف
So you can control from here. Air condition, seat, heating, cooling. Some car is coming massage, but this one we don't have.
Okay,
but
this car is like without massage facility.
without massage
Without
facility.
massage facility.
And
Okay. Okay. Okay.
so you see the front side, all navigations, then AC controller here also.
Okay.
AC controller and
it's-
sound system also. This car very
clean,
nice,
it's clean, it's
and
clean, it's
all
clean.
soft leather interior.
Okay.
You see. So this
Okay,
is
Mohammed. Like, how much does this cost?
this cost is around
60,000.
60,000 dirham.
Okay, it's like there is some bargainable. There is a cushion to bargain.
No, not less than 60. It's like minimum 60. You can
Minimum
say.
60.
It depends on, because this is used car.
Mm-hmm.
So depends on how's the condition your car.
Okay,
This is, you can say, is a good condition.
but if somebody comes over here and wants to bargain with you a little, there can be some little cushion, huh? Okay.
But same car, same model car, maybe we can sell also 55, but that is lower condition. How many parts repainted, how kilometer
Okay.
already been done. So everything include is depend on price, the used car, because it's
Okay.
not 0 kilometer, you know.
Okay, fine. Okay, that's all for this car. That's all.